But yeah, can I fucking help you? Hi, I look kind of crazy, I'm aware. I look like a really, really gross version of Cara Delevingne. But, my friends, I am here to give you a tutorial on how I waterproof my brows. I'm going swimming with my friends later. I might come back with some footage of how my brows look after. I'm pretty sure they'll stand up because they're pretty bulletproof. Are they smudge proof? Probably not. If you want to see how I waterproof my brows, then let's get into it. Yes, I am ugly without my eyebrows. That's it. First thing, this is the most important part of the whole tutorial, is this NYX eyebrow gel. It's waterproof. Basically, I squeeze a little bit out on my hand, and then I take my e.l.f. eyebrow duo brush, and I just tippy dip. Right now it's just like filling in your eyebrows like normal. Sisters, not twins. Don't come at me. That's as good as it's gonna get right now. I know it still looks a little odd, but it's okay. Then, if you're a fuck up like me, you're gonna want to take a little concealer and just clean up around the edges, because we all know I can't draw a straight line. Just taking the Makeup Revolution concealer, cleaning up around here. Not even cleaning up, just fixing all my mistakes. Y'all know I wouldn't be who I am today without a little bit of concealer. Those wings that I do, impossible without concealer. I should do a video where I show you what my wings look like without fixing them. Y'all would be shocked. Some powder filling in. I just used any brown eyeshadow. This is from some random ass Maybelline palette. Look how fucking busted this palette is. I'm using this one. It's very, very busted. And then I'm just going to fill it in with powder, make them look even in terms of color. Now is the part where you're going to be like, you stupid as fuck. But I swear it works. This is the Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. Put it in there. I'm not using that much at all, just a little tiny bit. Take Beauty Blender, or whatever really. You're gonna be like, what the fuck are you doing? And I'm doing this. Also, I'm like going to the point where you can see like the powder, like you can see the powder, but I'm sure you don't have to do that. I'm just an instant gratification monkey. So that's all for that. You're gonna be like, you look fucking gross. And I always do, so joke's on you. And I'm gonna take a brush. Like, this is kind of like baking your brows, which is kind of gross, but you're gonna take this and just wipe all the excess powder off. Now my brows look ashy, right? Yes, they do. So I'm going to take that brown shadow again and just lightly bring back that color. Okay, I think that's good. You can do as little or as much as you want. I'm kind of crazy, so I do a lot. Second to last step is the NYX Tinted Brow Mascara, or any mascara. The last step is another important part of the waterproofing process, and that is the Urban Decay All-Nighter Setting Spray, or just any setting spray to be honest.
Six and a half hours later.
It is now 12:24 in the morning. Here are my eyebrows after swimming and just laying in bed for a few hours. These are my eyebrows. There was like a little thing when I was swimming that was like right here. It like smudged or something, but it wiped right off. I don't know. You can be the judge of how they look. So yeah. These are my waterproof brows. Good night. So that was my brow waterproofing tutorial. I don't really know what to call this. Just like how to swim with your brows on? I don't fucking know. No one asked for this. No one. I hope this helped some of you. This is just how I do it. To have confidence, I have to have my brows. I don't really care about the rest of my face. I don't really like need makeup on the rest of my face, but if I don't have my brows on, I feel very, very ugly. So this is why I wear eyebrows to the pool. I'm a natural blonde. Here's a picture. Like, I'm a full-on natural ass, like, bleach fucking blonde. I'm very blonde, and so are my eyebrows. So it looks weird if I have like dark hair now, like I have brown hair now, and don't have any eyebrows because they're kind of invisible. So yeah, I just feel like I look really ugly. So yeah, I always just have eyebrows on. I refuse to never have eyebrows on. Like, if you watched my day in the life video, I don't wash off my eyebrows at the end of the day. I sleep in them, I stay at home in them, when I take a shower I rub them off and then immediately go put more on like I did today. Like my hair's wet and you can see that I did it. So that was my video on how I like swim with my eyebrows on. Yeah, hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you soon.
And I'm like